Alright guys, this is Chebu Electrical Solutions. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow us. So right now I want to show you the most shaggy works and the shoddy works our fellow electrician did. Okay, I want you to see this kind of socket. Okay, you can see. Okay, it is buried inside. Okay, another one here. It is buried inside, and another one here, it is also buried inside. Not even a single one. Another one is buried. Okay, another one is buried inside. You can see even this switch. So that's why I will advise you, before you install the switches and the sockets on the wall, make sure you wait for the plaster to be plastered. Okay, then after they have plastered, make sure you install your wall sockets and switches. Another one is here. Another one, you have removed it. So what we are trying to do, we will remove all of them, and then we will start setting them the way it is. The way it is, we will make sure we install them again. Okay. You see, there are many, guys. There are very many. Okay, you see. We have removed them. So we will reinstall them properly, and we will set them properly before we install them. So make sure you follow Chebu Electrical Solutions for more videos like these ones. Okay, so let us do the best work, the quality work, and the best work possible. Okay. Yeah, my guys, let me show you this one. See? So the problem here is not even wiring. It is the way they did the installation. It is the way they did the installation. Okay. 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 There are many. Let me show you. There are so many of them that they didn't install them the way they are supposed to be installed. You can see. See, my friend. The shoddy works. Okay. We are removing them. Yes. Follow Chebu Electrical Solutions on all social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and also on TikTok. It's Chebu Electrical Solutions. Bye. Let us do the work so that our client will be happy.